In this video, I'm going to show you how to create 30 days worth of Instagram Reels, TikToks, and YouTube Shorts in 30 minutes using AI. All right, the first thing that you want to do is you want to come to Opus.pro. This is an AI software that allows you to take your long form content and condense it into little mini clips vertically that you can use for your Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok videos. The first thing you want to do once you get to Opus Clip is you want to drop your YouTube link right in here. But before we get too detailed, I have to show you all this. So this particular platform works best for video podcasts, educational videos, commentary videos, interview videos, product videos, motivational speeches. It doesn't work that great for gaming videos or music videos, so run the play. You want to pick a long form YouTube video. The platform recommends anything longer than 15 minutes for it to work the best. However, I've been testing this out and you can use shorter content as well for this and it'll still produce some great results. I'm gonna go ahead and drop the link right there. Then I'm gonna hit get clips. Now what you'll see is it says the service is getting quite popular. Basically it's saying that we're in queue and it's gonna take about 12 minutes for it to do this. So you just sit here, you let it cook up, and then you come back when it's done. And voila, look at what it spit out. It spits out a bunch of different video clips that you can now use for your social media. Now the first thing I wanna point your attention to is the score. The score is 99, so this is the viral score. This basically predicts the likelihood of this particular video clip going viral on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels, okay? It also gives you a solid breakdown of what this video is about that you can honestly use inside of your video description. The next question that you ask is this video actually good? So let's take a listen together and let's see. Now, you're gonna wanna pay attention the whole way through this video because there's actually 4 different algorithms on. Now that you have your clip, now's the fun part. You can actually go in here and edit this clip. So let's go ahead and hit edit and let's see what they got for us. Now, the first thing that you'll notice is this little toggle bar right here. It says auto intro caption. All you gotta do is click this, and what it'll do is it'll generate its own caption for you. That's very powerful because a lot of times we don't know the right words to say in our caption. This gets it handled for you. Now, another thing that you'll see here is you'll see the captions and you'll see a certain color on these captions. For instance, this particular color is green. If you wanted to change this to yellow, simply click the yellow button and it's gonna change it to yellow, which is also super powerful. You also can change it to a gray color here as well. And if you don't see a word that's highlighted, you can still click on a particular word. And let's say we wanted to highlight because with yellow, simply do it just like that. Super powerful, okay? This gives you the ability to really make the content your own in any way that you want to do that. Now, another cool thing that you can do, if you want to actually edit the captions, you can actually change the words of the caption. Like if I didn't say actually here and I said act, I would just change it to act and then it would change right here in the video. Also super powerful stuff, guys. So this is the caption. Now, if you click on brand, this gives you the ability to dictate how you want your captions to show up. Do you want it to show up as 3 lines or do you want just 1 line, right? So you have the ability to change things based off of that. You can also change the position of the caption. You could do top, middle, or bottom, whatever works for you, or you could do auto. You also have the ability to utilize branding here. You can actually upload a transparent image if you want to add some branding or a specific call to action of some sort. You can also import that into the video as well, which is super cool. If you don't like the font, you could go ahead and simply change the font. Let's say we want bold font. We could change the font just like that. You could change it from uppercase to lowercase. I like uppercase though, so I'm going to keep that the same. And you could even change the font colors and the stroke. Okay, so these are all really powerful things that you can do. Now, if you wanted to change the colors of the words that are highlighted, you could come right in here and you could change it. So that's another beautiful thing that this gives you the ability to do. Now, this right here is my favorite feature, the layout setting. So right now, if you're looking at the video, it says fill. So what that means is it's gonna take a YouTube style wide horizontal video and it's gonna basically zoom in to the subject that's speaking. And that's great for short form content. But another thing you could do is you can actually fit it to the screen. And when you fit it to the screen, now all of a sudden it's gonna look like this, right? It's gonna show the background of my room and all these different things, right? That's what happens when you fit it to the screen. But this is good if you're doing like a whiteboard situation or something like that and the whole screen needs to be in here. This would be a great solution for that. Now, another thing you could do is split. And as you can see in the example here, when you click on split, this is great for podcast interviews. If you're interviewing someone on a podcast and there's multiple people in there, the split screen works very well because then you can have someone on the top and someone on the bottom, and then the captions would be in in the middle. So that's another option that Opus is giving you. They also give you the layout. So if you want 4x3 or 1x1, you have the ability to choose that as well. But overall, this is just a great platform that you can now use to make your life so much easier. For those of y'all that are not good with short form content, your strategy should just be, hey, let me create a one piece of long form content. You could take your Instagram live or your Facebook live, you can plug it in here, and now you have a month's worth of clips that you can use to post on other social media. Telling y'all, this is a game changer. You no longer have to waste time creating more short form content. You can literally use your long form and condense it just like this. Now, if you've been struggling for the longest time on getting up content on multiple platforms, this is absolutely what you need, all right? Gary Vee talks about this all the time. You take your macro content or your long form content, and then you clip it into little segments that you can then use for your other social media. Opus.pro can help you do that just like that. Hopefully this tutorial was very valuable for you. Drop a comment below. Let us know if you're gonna run the play and use Opus.pro, because when you do, you're unlocking the magical world of being omnipresent, being on your TikTok, being on your YouTube, being on your Instagram Reels. You're unlocking that omnipresence, and that's what you need to level up your brand and take it to the next level. By the way, please make sure that you subscribe and click that bell notification so you get notified anytime that we drop a new helpful video. We hope that this was valuable. Be sure to head to the description and click the link, because we have a lot of amazing things coming up and we don't want you to miss anything.